We're doing it on Omega. This is episode 402, part 1. DRYTRON versus TRI-BRIGADE. And yeah, you don't want to open high rate draw. I don't think you do. Maybe add 2 or something. You open that or Eva or... Not good. Who went first? He went first. Garrus, Nerval. Discard Nerval, special summon. Nerval's effect if it gets dumped. If to add a TRI-BRIGADE. Does it add a TRI-BRIGADE? You can add 1 TRI-BRIGADE monster, yeah. Oh, whoa. Fractal, dump kit. Kit's effect, it's gonna dump another Garrus. So now he has 4 TRI-BRIGADEs in there. Garrus effect, banish. He should have banished this guy right there, but got Bearbrum. Linked off for side frame Lord Lambda. Bearbrum's effect, gonna add the Revolt. Then he has to put 1 back to the bottom of the deck. Okay. Sets 2, my turn. Cyber Emergency. I didn't have a Zeta, but I had the Alpha, so Alpha Zeta Benton. Zeta Tribute Benton. Effect, add Minion Stretron. Benton when it gets tributed. Oh, Gamma. Getting a driver from the deck, special summoning, and negating the Benton. Overlay for Fafnir. Fafnir effect, and Perm. Dang, and Perm was in this column right here. Almost summon Herald of Diviner. Send Herald of Arclight. Arclight effect, add Natasha. Oh, right here, I was gonna call by the grave the Bearbrum, but remember, this was the in-perm column, and it was set. So whatever is on this column is now negated. Oh. You know, Stretron, detach. Oh, wait, I had that in the hand, so okay. Decrease, add Gamma, Tribute, Special, and I did not have another DRYTRON in there. I thought I did, but so I didn't get the special summon from Gamma. Benton, add the Ultimateness, and he scooped from there. Let's do wings. Let's see. Yeah, I was gonna go to special. Oh, he didn't have the space for the Revolt Chireg. Okay. .402 part 2. He goes first. Foolish Burial. Kit. Kit's effect. Dumping Nerval. Nerval. Adding Garrus. Fractal effect. Oh, he did not use the oh yeah, you have to discard itself. Send discard to the hand or field. Oh, we could do it from field too. So we did Garrus, banish those 2 for Farrajeet. Farrajeet, special, Rescue Cat. Rescue Cat. Send to the graveyard. Get those 2. We'll see for Bearbrum. And that was a 3. Bearbrum, Farrajeet, chain block. It's gonna draw, put back, and then get the Revolt and put to the bottom of the deck. Set. Okay. Foolish Alpha. Alpha. Tribute Zeta and Skullmeister. Negate anything from the graveyard. When the card is activated in your opponent's graveyard, quick effect use. Oh my god. Zeta, Tribute Delta, Apollos negate. Orange Light negate, sending Eva. You had more negates to come, you could have chained it, right? but he did not. And it destroyed. What the maybe it misclicked. Eva. Banish. Chained it with the Revolt. And did all 4. Shureg. I'll get the Diviner from Eva. Shureg. Chainlink 1, Chainlink 2, Nerval, Chainlink 3. Kit. Okay. Dump and add. Okay. Shureg banished. Delta. Tribute. Special effect. Reveal a ritual spell or monster. Draw a card. Benten. Natasha. Midian DRYTRON. Solemn Judge. Ooh, negated and destroyed. But Midian DRYTRON decreased the attack by 1000, add back, then activated for Natasha. Natasha's effect, target itself, gain half the attack. Normal summon Diviner, activate effect, sending Ida 10. And for Verte, and then Natasha, banish a Cyber Angel Ida 10, target, special, get over here, Natasha, oh. It's gonna target, gain, go for a Dragoon, and then kill him with his one monster. Let's duel it. 402. Does he have a deck? He does have a deck. SentientButtSlug. Or SentientButtSlug. 402. Okay. Check the rank. You were at 1142, 1162, back at silver, was at bronze. Let's check the deck. 402. Where are you, 402? Here's his deck, he has a clean 40. Here we go. Triple Revolt, he's not messing around. Triple Shureg, Deagle. Not bad, not bad. You were at 259. Still at 259. Come on. Comment, share. I'll give you a sub. It's up if you liked it. See you guys.